What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Picky Garage. Today we have the Picky truck and we're changing the headlights on this thing. Got my buddy Win at Win Hawk, or is it Win 34 Hawk?
34 Hawk.
Yep, there we go. Helping me out today, changing the headlights on this thing. I picked these up from, what is it, Outdoor Truck, right?
Outdoor Trucks, yep.
Outdoortrucks.com. I'll put the link in the bio and put it like right here. But we got new headlights, so high beams, low beams, blinker, which switches back to white LED, and then new fog lights. We're gonna go ahead and install it. It shouldn't take what, like 20 minutes? You just gotta, you wanna run through what you gotta do?
Yeah, we got 4 bolts holding down the grill, and then we're going to take the 3 bolts holding down the headlights, pull the headlights off gently, pull the grill off first, pull the headlights off gently, change the high beam and low beam and the turn signal bulbs, and then the fog lights is just a 1 bulb that we just half twist out and pull out. Connect, yep, connect, and
Real
then
simple. Put
them back in, bolt the headlights back in. There's a 1 tricky one at the bottom, which we can get with a 1/4 inch extension. If you don't have a 1/4 inch extension, then you got to loosen the bumper and drop that like a 1/2 inch just so you can fit your socket in there, because it's kind of tight underneath. Pain in the neck, and then bolt your drill back on and you're all set.
Yep. And there's no like codes or anything that it throws. Nope. The blinker works fine because it has, what is the, it's
resistor.
Like the resistor.
Blinks normal speed.
So it blinks normal speed. It's a nice kit, and I'll go ahead and show a before and after. Should we turn the lights off?
Sure.
All right, let me turn the lights off and we'll do like a before. All right guys, so here's what it looks like from the front with the factory bulbs, factory fogs. Nice little sexy yellow.
Orange turn signals.
Yeah, go ahead and run me through it. So that's what the turns look like. So hazards, and go ahead and high beam. So there's the lazy high beam, and I'll go from the front. So we'll do what it looks like, and then hit me with the high beam. Yeah. So it should make a big difference. We'll turn the lights back on and start taking this stuff apart. Sex time.
Oh, it's got the tabs in there.
So now we've taken the front grill off. There's these 3 tabs that go across.
5, 2,
5,
4, 5.
And once you push those down, it comes right off.
Pops off.
Now we're grills over on the other truck. Now we're taking off the
4 headlight bolts.
The headlight
1,
bolts.
2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So there we go. Now we're in the back of the light. Just the old junk out.
Bling. There's the quarter twist out.
Yeah, sometimes I'm stubbornness.
The resistor. You don't want to touch that one.
It isn't bad to touch. Messes it up. I don't know how to get that thing out. I think it's the whole unit.
Yeah. Since
All right, so we got this one side done, the one headlight. We forgot to videotape it, but we got the other side to do. We're gonna do the lower fog light here, and then I'll do a comparison of the left and right side. Oh, here. So there's the top. This is the turn signal that turns. That works still, so there you go. That's what it looks like. And we still gotta change the fog. We're gonna do that real quick. So we'll go do that and then do a comparison. Yeah, there you go. All right, so to change the fog light, there's a little quarter panel or a panel right there. You reach up underneath of it, so wind's up under there real nice and good. You pop the one light out, and then you pop the LED in.
Quarter twist.
Do a quarter twist. It's hard to see because it's got this plate blocking it, but you can see it in there nice and good. All right, guys, so here's a comparison. The right side is the LED side. The left side is the stock side. So stock fogs, stock low, high beams, and the yellow amber light. On the right we have the LEDs, LED fog, LED high and lows, and then the white with amber switchbacks up at the top here. Big difference. Big difference. So you can see with the lights on the difference between the two. Alright guys, so we're installing the low beam, high beam. Just a nice little insert right there. Took the old guys out. Look like this.
LED.
No. Make sure that you take the little
We call that the red ring of death.
the red ring
Shout out to Xbox.
off the dude, that was the worst. Off the old headlight.
Go ahead and go into the 45. Nice and easy. Find the sweet spot.
Corner turn.
And she'll be straight up and down.
There it is. And then we have the switchback right here. These are the white to amber switchbacks. Hold the camera. Little nice special right there. All right, there we go. That's what it looks like. Switch back with me. Go ahead and get the honor.
You need a beard to hold that.
Yep. Man beard.
And clip her in. You're gonna have a little excess, but it kind of just nestles in there gently. You can zip tie it if you're professional. And then it just goes in between this little groove here and the teeth. No real perfect way to do it. Just kind of half twist and just kind of rest in there like a little grommet like that.
It's back in, one at the top, two on the sides, one at the bottom, right in the back there, and then should be good to go. All right, guys, so the truck is done. So at the top we have the LED turn signal with the switchbacks. So there you can see that. And there's the regular low beam, high beams. Go ahead and do a high beam, low beam, and then hit the fogs. And there's the fogs. Big difference, bright and light. Man, win with the light show. Yeah. So it's a big difference, guys. Great kit. I'll put all the links in the description of where you can find this stuff. Outdoortrucks.com is where I picked mine up at. You can also pick it up on Amazon. I'll throw the links in there as well. Great stuff, great products. Pretty easy install. Win, how long you think that took?
25, 30 minutes.
25, 30 minutes. And all we have to do now is put the front bumper on.
Grill.
Or front grill, thanks. And she'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, subscribe and like the video. Check out my other stuff. Depending when I get this video up, I am doing a dash cam giveaway. Follow me on @PickyGarage to see how to enter into that. Make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and comment in my post where I'm filling up the GT350R at the gas station. Thanks for watching, guys. Check you out in the next video.